Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel today. My name is Quadri TV, and in this video, I want to show you how to build a free blog or a free website free of charge from beginning to the end. And you are going to get a free host and also a free domain, so you don't have to pay a dime. All you have to do is to watch me and follow all the processes. Thank you. Let's go back to it. So what we have to do is to come here, open another tab, and then we can just say blogger.com so that it take us to the website. So once we are in this website, what we are going to do, if you look over here, you're going to see a button that says create your blog. Click on it and allow it to load. Now I'm going to choose my email address. So I'll pick this email. Next, and I can put my password. So I'm here. So the first thing I'm going to do is title of my blog. So the title of my blog, I'm going to name it Quadri TV blog. That's going to be my title of my blog. Then I would say next. Then the next thing is going to be for me to choose an address for it. So I'm going to say Quadri TV. That's all. So if you look under here, you are going to see this blog address is available. So I'm going to say next. Then on next, I will say they're asking me confirm your display name. So I will type the same thing, Quadri TV blog. Finish. You just have to wait for the processes to finish. So we are done now. We are in the home. We are in the dashboard. We are in the dashboard. So let's take a look at the site. If you come down here, you're going to see view blog. Let's open it in a new tab. Let's see how it's looking. So okay, it's not bad, but then we have to, let's come back here. Let's see whether we can use another template that looks more better. If you come here, you're going to see theme. Click on theme. Then on that theme, you're going to see different all these things are what templates that you can make use of. All these are templates that you can make use of. They are all free. All you have to do is to pick the one that suits what you want and then proceed. That's all. You don't have to do much. So I'm going to look for the one that will fit, that will be okay to what I want to do. So I'm gonna just pick it. Basically, most of these templates here can be used to build a blog. But then if you want to make it a complete website, you can just get a template, a premium template. Then you come over here to uh, upload it. Then you make use of it. So let me look for a particular template to make use of. So I'm gonna use this one, this one here. I think I like it. So once you click on it, then take your time to check to be sure that you like it. Once you are done with that, then click apply. Once we click apply, then this will load. Let's see. So this is how our site is going to look like. So we can still come here. We can come here and then we'll say, okay, let's create 8 pages. So we can decide to create pages so that we'll have different pages on our website. So create pages, new page. So my page, I'm gonna name it. I want to name it maybe I want to name it home. Then publish. Then I want to create another page and I will name it contact us. Then I'll publish. Let's refresh. Of course, we are not going to see it. So what we have to do is to go to layout. Then we'll come to layout, come to pages, and then show this widget. Save. Let's see. So you can see home here. You can see home there. Then let's go back. Let's look for. Let's bring out the remaining one, which is contact us. So I'm gonna save. So let's see. We now have contact us. And we also have home. So the next thing we are going to do, let's just add post. Let's create a post because what we are building is a blog. So click on new post. Then we can now say, okay, the name of our post is how to create a free blog / website using blogger.com. So I can come here. I'm done. So I can copy this for us to be fast. Then we'll come to ChatGPT. Tell ChatGPT to give us a little post on. So we can just get it for learning purposes. Remember, when you are seriously working on this, you don't have to follow this pattern. You don't have to copy exactly what you are going to copy now, but because this is just for learning purposes, so we are going to copy everything. So copy it, then come back here, paste it. So once we are done with this, let's publish, confirm. So we'll come here, let's reload. So this is how it's going to be. So this is the end of the video. If you want to know more, don't hesitate to either drop a comment or you message me directly. I'm going to attach my number on the text on this video, so you can message me either on WhatsApp or on Telegram to know more. Thank you for watching. Help to subscribe, share, like, and comment. Thank you.